In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Soundpeats earbuds. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is charge the earbuds. So ensure the earbuds and charging case are fully charged. Place the earbuds in the charging case and wait for the indicator lights to show they're charging. Then we need to do a reset. This is optional but very helpful for first use. So if you're having trouble connecting or want to start fresh, place both earbuds in the case, press and hold both touch areas for about 10 seconds until the LED indicators flash red and white twice. This resets them. Then we need to activate pairing mode. So remove both of the earbuds from the case, then wait a few seconds. They should turn on automatically and pair with each other. One will flash red and white, usually the right one. The flashing red white means they are in Bluetooth pairing mode. If they don't enter pairing mode, touch and hold one earbud for about 5 seconds until it flashes red and white. Then we need to pair with your device, so open up your phone, laptop, tablet or whatever you're using, then turn on Bluetooth. Search for available devices, then select Soundpeats, and it should have a model name next to that. So for example, Soundpeats True 3 Plus, then tap connect. Then it should say confirmation. So once connected, the earbud LED will blink slowly or turn off depending on the model. You also hear a voice prompt like connected